Okay, hi all, good morning. So, yesterday I've given this assignments. I think this is the assignment I've given, but only Pritish has solved. But I want to discuss this. Okay, hope my voice is audible and my screen is visible. Shall I proceed?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, so the first question was that in SQL query to list the student name who has scored the highest marks. Okay, so first of all, let me create table and do all those things. It is slow today or what? What happened? Problem है. 1 minute, guys. Okay. This is the table. Okay, this is the written in front of you. Okay. Now the question was to find the one who has scored the highest marks. Okay, highest marks. So there are many ways to do this. But I want to solve this using rank and dense rank. Now let's try to understand this. Suppose first of all I will write rank, and this is the syntax. You just have to write rank, open and close bracket. This is the syntax. Okay, and then over, and then write order by descending. You can write descending, ascending as per your requirement. So here I've written descending because we want the one who has scored the highest marks, right? So you want the highest marks first. That is what I've written, order by marks descending. Okay. From which table? A student table. Let me execute this. Now let's consider this output. Is this a correct output? B, B, D, they have scored the highest marks, right? Is it correct, guys? Okay. Now, if I will show you, this is the rank, okay? And suppose if I will show you dense rank here. Same syntax, rank and dense rank, they both have same syntax, no different, just no difference. Just you write dense, that's all. And we have discussed the difference between rank and dense rank. Rank is skip the sequence, like you can see here, rank, how it has started. For 30, he has given first rank, okay, that is correct. For this second 30, B has scored 13 maths. This is also first rank, this is correct, okay. D also has scored 30 in chemistry, so first rank. So this is correct. We all are convinced that okay, B, and D, they have scored the highest mark, so they all will be first rank holder. Okay. So far, any question? But after this, our expectation was that A Maths 20 should be second rank, correct? C Physics 20 should be second rank, but it has given fourth rank. Why? Because we know that rank skips the sequence. Okay, any questions so far? Yes or no? No question. Then now I am telling you. Tell me.
So it was means second highest mark. If we have to calculate means in for each subject. So here you can say he has got the guy has got chemistry in 15. That should be second highest.
1 minute, I will tell you that.
But it has given him and dense rank will also give him rank 3.
Correct. No, dense rank will catch it. I got your point. What you're telling? You are telling that if I have to find second rank, so rank has skipped that second rank. How will you find it? I think that's what you're asking, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me show you this. That's what I have taken dense rank as well. Guys, I'm repeating again and again. If you're not understanding, please ask me the question. Okay. Because as rank and dense rank, this is very, very, very useful. I will get questions out of this. Fine. So see, this is rank and this is dense rank. Okay. Let me zoom this a little bit. Now, if you see this first three, you all are convinced that this is fine, right? This you all are convinced that Tanvir, this is good. We are expecting this all are the top rank holders. So rank has given first rank, dense rank has given second rank. Okay. Now for this is the point of discussion, that why here the rank has given fourth. Why rank has given fourth? Because we were expecting two, correct? Now, if I will talk about dense rank, are you convinced with the behavior of dense rank here?
Yeah.
Guys,
Yeah.
is convinced, right? This is first and this is second
Yeah.
rank.
Yeah.
Okay. So now if I will ask you, who is giving me the more realistic ranking system, rank or dense rank?
Dense
Dense
rank.
rank.
Dense rank, correct? Because he is not skipping anything. He is giving a more realistic feeling that, okay, the first rank holder, A and C, they have scored 20, which is less than 30. This is second rank holder. And then 15, A and C, A, C, B, they have scored 15. So they are the third rank holder. So we are able to understand that, okay, dense rank is more realistic, but rank is skipping. After one, suddenly it came to 4. Then suddenly it came to 6. So you can ask me question that, then after one, where is second and third rank holder? After fourth, where is fifth rank holder? Correct? No. So actually what is happening, rank is actually following the serial number. Okay, I have told you yesterday as well. Let me repeat it. Okay, so if I will give a serial number here, you see what is happening. This is 1, 2, 3. Okay, when after duplicate, you know what is here 4. Now see the corresponding serial number. Is it 4 here? Is
Yeah.
it 4 here, guys? Okay,
Yeah.
so actually rank is not showing some abnormal behavior. Don't think like that. Okay, it is working as per the serial number. Okay, once the duplicate is over, it will continue the serial number 4. Now this is 4. Okay, then it is again 4. Why? Because this is duplicate. So whenever duplicate is there, it will continue the sequence. Again, for the next number which is not a duplicate, it will check the sequence. What is the sequence? It is 6 here. So that's why it is given here 6. So rank follows the serial number pattern. Okay, but dense rank follows the realistic ranking system. Any question? No, if
No.
you're not telling yes or no, so I will understand that, okay, you have understood everything. So this is the behavior of dense rank. Okay, now the question is that, Tanvir, which one should I use, rank or dense rank? So say first side, you should use dense rank. Okay, that will give more realistic, but rank also has its own uses. We will see all the things down the line. Okay, but again, I'm repeating, any question on this rank and dense rank, what is the difference? Why rank is showing this kind of behavior? Is this clear?
Yeah.
Okay, that is clear to you. Now I want to know the who is the highest means topper in the class. So what I have to do? I have given you this query. After this, what I have to do?
Where dense rank equal to 2.
Where? What I have to write? I shall write this entire thing where this is equal to 1, 2. Why I will write 2? I will write 1. No. This is
Okay,
equal to
highest.
1, correct?
Okay.
Highest means 1.
yes.
So if I will give here 1, so let's see what is the output. Oh, what is telling? Window functions are not allowed here. What happened? See, the reason is this is a window function. You all know window and analytic functions, whatever you want, you can call it. Okay.
Yeah.
So you cannot use this window function in the where condition. I will tell you the reason that why this happens. Okay. No, you should not use any of the window functions, whatever teaching down the line in where condition. There is a specific reason for that. We'll discuss it. Okay. Now, so the thing is that so here we cannot use it. This is a problem because SQL is throwing error message that we cannot use window function. So now what to do? Nothing to do. Give an alias here, dense rank or whatever you want. Okay, and then give the alias here as rank. Your wish, whatever you want. Now, take a subquery. Select name, comma, subject, comma, marks from this table, right? You know the concept of subquery from this table. Where now use this alias. Use this alias dense rank. Very good. Where dense rank is equal to
Yeah, yes, sir. I think your voice is breaking.
Yeah.
voice is breaking. It's still breaking.
Yeah. No, now fine.
Okay. How is it? How is it, guys? I will change the location then. Is it still breaking?
No, fine.
No, it's
Okay. If it is breaking, please tell me. I will change the location. Oh, we are facing some network issues since yesterday. Okay, fine. So is this clear, guys?
Yeah.
Any question? No question. Okay. You're not telling anything. I will understand that you don't have any question. Now I can do this with the help of CT expression as well. Now please try to understand. Okay, this is a CT expression we have seen in the last class. So I will write this query here. Okay. Now, so no need for rank, right? So you can remove this. Okay, so I've written dense rank here and all this from student table. Okay, so this is separate thing. So this is one query. Now, what I will do here, I will write test2 or just I will write here, select star from test1 where dense rank is equal to 1. That's all. Now let's take the output. Valid table name test1 as here. You got the value. Now you will thinking that why this dense rank is coming. So you can write the name, subject, and marks, whatever you want. Name, subject, marks. So this is the same question we have done using subquery and CT expression as well. Is this clear? Any question? Any question? I'm repeating. Any question? No question. Now you can solve this question using one more technique. Okay. Remove this one. This I have solved using a CT expression. Where is that? Yeah. Now same CT expression I will use in some other technique. Guys, if you're not understanding, I'm repeating again and again. Please ask. This is very important concept. Okay. Now, you can write using one more technique. Select name, comma, subject, comma, marks from test1 where dense rank equal to 1. Okay. Now I will write select a star from test2. Got the same value. Now here what I have done, who will explain this? In this query, what I have done? Okay, so first of all, in test1 local table, I have done this dense rank. Okay, I've done the dense rank and all those things in test1. Then I've created a separate local table test2. And in this, I'm telling that I want name, subject, marks from test1 from this local table where dense rank is equal to 1. So in this test2, I have that output of test1 where dense rank is equal to 1. And finally, I'm using select a star from test2. So you can see how we can split the conditions in multiple small tables, local tables. Okay, this is the benefit of guys CT expression. Any question? No questions. What is the next question? Who has scored the second highest marks? Okay, for second highest marks, what I have to do here? Consider this one. What I will do here? Second highest.
Change that.
Change it to
dense rank equal
dense
to
rank 2.
2. Correct. Okay, dense rank is equal to 2. Okay. So you got the output that okay, 20 is the second highest. C in physics has scored the second highest 20, and A in math has scored the second highest 20. Okay. Now suppose here I have shown you rank and dense rank both. Now suppose let me execute this inner query first of all. So here you have told me that Tanvir, I will use dense rank is equal to 2. Okay. Can I write rank is equal to 4 and the rank is equal to 2? Will it give me the output? Suppose here I will tell you that no, I want to use rank is equal to 2. Do you think it will give you the output? No, it will not give, right? Because we don't have rank is equal to, that has skipped. So that is why on the safer side, always try to use dense rank. Similarly, you can change here, the dense rank is equal to 2. You will get the second highest tuple. This is your rank and dense rank window functions. Any question? And then I have shown you the blend of this with the CT expression. That is what I told you yesterday. Pritish, all these things are clear?
Yeah, Tanvir, yeah.
Okay. Tanya?
Yeah, it's
Okay. If you want me to repeat anything, please ask. I will repeat it. So first question is done. Now second question, write and SQL query to list the student name who has scored the least marks. Oh, okay. This was very interesting and I have given a solution as well here. No, I think this is the same question. Same data, but you want the least marks. Okay, what is the meaning of least marks?
We
Topper
got the
from
lowest
bottom,
marks and
lowest marks.
yeah,
Topper from
sending
bottom.
we will have to use.
Now you can see here, least marks means D has scored least marks 5 in physics. Okay, D has scored least marks 5 in physics. So here you guys told me that, okay, Tanvir, I will play with dense rank. If you want the first topper, I will write dense rank is equal to 1. If you want the second topper, I will write dense rank is equal to 2. If you want the third topper, you will write dense rank is equal to 3, right? You can do all those things, okay? But here the question is to find the least rank, okay, the top least one. So what I will write here, dense rank is equal to what number I have to give here?
Or we can change
Order
that,
by
order by
marks ascending.
ascending.
Order by marks ascending. You want to make your order by marks ascending. Okay.
Yeah, means
Okay.
we can simply remove the descending DSC.
Okay, that is also fine. That is also fine. Good idea. Make order by marks ascending. If I will not write anything by default, it will take ascending. You all know this, right?
Yeah.
So you told me that, okay, I will use order by marks ascending. So let me check it. And then you will write dense rank is equal to 1, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, then you will write dense rank is equal to 1 and you will get the output. This is very good solution you all have told me. So you will get the output that D physics maths, D physics 5 here is the least marks here is scored. And similarly, I think now you can do with the CT expression. You can write here dense rank is equal to 1 and just you will remove this descending to ascending. Okay, any question on this? No question. Okay.
How we can get the subject wise? If we have
I
to
will
get
come.
the subject by highest
I will-
marks.
I will come to that and I will tell you partition by. We'll cover that. Okay. Now suppose the same question I want the least, the one who has scored the least marks. Okay, but the condition is you have to use descending only. Okay, this is the condition. You should not use ascending. The condition is no, you have to use descending only and then tell me who has scored the least marks. Then how you will do this? Are you getting my question, guys? No, not clear. Is my question clear? Yes or no? Not clear.
Yes.
See, no, okay, no problem. See, the question is I want the least marks. Okay, the least marks. So here you guys told me that Tanvir, okay, I will change this descending to ascending, and then dense rank is equal to 1, we will get the least marks, right? That's what you all have told, correct? But
Yeah.
now I am telling that no, you cannot do this descending. You have to keep this descending only in the same query you want to, because actually why this scenario is coming, because many times it happens like you're working on real-time project, right? You have coded, you have 200 to 300 lines of code. Okay, suddenly some business requirement came and they're asking you to change and do some modification. So what you will try to do, will you work on the entire code again from scratch? We will not do like that, right? You will think that, okay, and let's do some modification here and there so that we should cater to the requirement. Similarly, think we have written descending in all the codes, n number of times we have written descending and many other things are there. So I am telling that no, I don't want to change this descending. This will be like this only. And I want to find the least marks. What I have to do? Tell me. In that case, how you will find the least marks?
We have to write another query after,
Hmm.
where we are using like dense rank equal to 1, right? Then that place we need to get the max of the rank.
Max of the rank. This is also fine. You will use the max of the rank. This is also fine. That okay, Tanvir, first of all, I will find the max of dense rank and then I will use there in place of that. This is also fine, but little bit complicated. Okay, let's try to understand. Hope the question is clear to everyone. Okay, if the question is clear. So now the question is to find the one who has scored the least marks. So here we can see that this is the output that D has scored the least marks. We know we can observe this from this output. Okay, but we are not sure that what should be the value of dense rank, what we have to give. Here we can see that, okay, this is the 5 and we can give 5 or whatever, but dense rank is equal to 5, we'll get the output, right? But if I will give dense rank is equal to 5, so that will be hard coded. Suppose if I will give your dense rank is equal to 5. This is the correct output. I mean, this is the correct way to write query. Is this the correct way, guys? No, this is not the correct way, right? Because I have hard coded the value dense rank is equal to 5. Okay, so now what you can do? Please concentrate. This is very important concept. Okay, so what you have to do is, first of all, find write a query, select count of distinct marks from a student. Okay, 5. Why I told you to find count of distinct marks from a student? Any guesses?
It will be matched with 5. The last rank should be
Right, that will match with that. Actually, dense rank, how it is doing? It is making bucket of the marks. So 30 is one bucket, that is why it has given 1 here, correct? 20 is second bucket, it has given 2 here. 15 is the third bucket, it has given 3 here. 10 is the fourth bucket, it has given 4 here. And 5 is the last bucket. So count of distinct marks will give you the number of buckets of the distinct dense rank. Now you want the last one. So you want that should be equal to this. So that's why what you can do, you can write here dense rank is equal to this query. Okay. So now this is not hard coded. Now you are telling to a SQL engine that count of distinct marks. So how many distinct are there? So that rank will be the last one. Now let me execute this. Is this the correct output?
Yes.
You all understood this, guys? Any question on this?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, I was telling that in that place only, in the query, subquery also, we can get a max of the rank directly, 10th rank.
Max of the dense rank.
That
also you can do.
we are using. Yeah.
That also you can do. I'm
So
not telling that is the wrong approach. You can do that. That is also correct way. You can do by that way as well. Okay, I think you are telling like this. Then I will write max of dense rank. That is what you're telling.
No. In that subquery only you use select count distinct marks from event. There only I will use the max of distinct rank from city expression.
Max of distinct rank. No, but here max of distinct will not work. Why? Because the same alias you cannot use in the same query. You have to use in the outer query.
No, in city expression.
CT expression. Oh, CT expression you're telling. This one. Yeah. Here you can do.
After that,
here you can do. In this query you are telling, no?
Yeah. In this query, after in the where condition in the main query, last one. 2.
You write like this.
Max of dense
rank is equal to max of rank. 1 minute. Function is not okay. Then you will write select query and all those things, right? Select. Yeah. You can do by that way as well. I got it. You are telling that you will write select max dense rank from test 1, right?
Yeah, from test 1.
That as well you can do. Very good.
Give you the 5 output.
This is also a good technique. Yeah. This is also good. Very good approach. Very good. Perfect. Okay. Any question? I think Danya was asking question. Yeah, Danya, what you were asking?
Um,
Hmm. Yeah.
no, Tanvir.
Oh, no question. Okay. Okay. So guys, is this clear to everyone?
Yeah.
Okay. If you have no response, mean I will understand it is clear. Okay. So, okay, you got an idea of rank, dense rank, correct? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Score second list. Similarly, you can find the second list marks and all those things. Okay. Then I have written data security find duplicate salary existing salary curve not using rank or dense rank. Okay. Now please do all those questions. These all are not simple. Okay. I don't want to waste time in this. If you're getting stuck, you let me know. Okay. Anyone who has tried this and didn't got the output? Fourth question. I know you are not tried. So try this and let me know if you're getting stuck. Okay. Now I want to show you some other variations of rank and dense rank. Now guys, you have got enough concept. Now you can work on any complex query. First of all, I will suggest you start working on the LinkedIn questions, whatever I used to post, go through that. Okay, slowly. So if you are able to solve those questions, I know that will take some time, but start working on that. And then you will be able to solve complex query. Make a habit of solving 5 queries on a daily basis. Or whatever lead code hacker and wherever you feel comfortable, you can start with that. But try 5 questions you have to try on daily basis. That is the only secret of SQL learning. Okay, so far we have seen the rank, dense rank, we understood everything. But I think Pritish has asked question that no, Tanvir, I want on a subject basis. I want tell me the topper in physics, topper in maths, and like that. Okay, so how to find the topper in physics, chemistry, and maths? Right, and that is valid question. In real life, it happens that if you want to know that who is the topper of physics or chemistry department or electronics department, something like that, right? Okay, fine. Let's try to understand how we can do that. So let me categorize this. This is physics department, okay? And then you have this chemistry department, the second department. This is math, this is third department. Now the question is, tell me the topper in each and every department. Okay, so if I will ask you who is the topper in physics department, you will tell me 20. There is a topper, right? Okay, and all these things. So you wanted to segregate this based on subject. Very simple, nothing. I'm not going to do anything. Very simple. Again, write this name, subject, marks, whatever you want. Name, comma, subject, comma, marks, comma, rank. I'm showing you both rank and dense rank. Okay. Write partition by. That's all, guys. Nothing else. Whenever you want to segregate on some column, write that partition by that column name. Here you want to do you want segregation based on subject. So partition by subject. That's all. Order by marks. So you want the topper, so make it order by marks descending. Now you can do ascending as well based on the requirement. We have discussed in the earlier question. We can do the ascending or descending based on the requirement. Okay. Taking time. Okay, so you got this as an output. I have used rank here, no? I've used rank here. Okay, so let me write as alias rank. Okay, and then let me use text rank as well here. Now, please concentrate on the output. Okay, this is the output. Let's try to understand what is happening here. So this is the output we got. Okay, subject and all these things. So in chemistry, who is the topper from this output? Rank 1. This was the dense rank, right? This is the dense rank, right? Dense rank 1, 2, 3. But again, why it started from 1, 2, 3, 4? What is the reason?
Yeah, we did partition by subject.
Correct. We have done the partition. So for each partition, rank will run, and then for the next partition, it will start from again scratch. So you see, for chemistry, rank it is running from 1, 2, 3. The concept is same of rank and dense rank. Now see here, it has skipped the rank 2 because we know that rank skips. Why? Because it follows the serial number. Okay. Now, if once the next border, for the next border mass, after chemistry, you have next section. So for this section, again, it has started from scratch, 1, 2, 3, 4, correct? And then again for physics, it has started from scratch, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the benefit of partition by. You are doing partition, you are creating boundary. Okay. Hope that is clear now. Any question?
Yeah.
So now what you can do after this,
Mm.
you can, yeah, Mrinal, you're asking something.
No,
You're asking some question, Mrinal?
no. Okay.
No question. Okay. So now if you want to find the topper in each branch, so you can do what you can do here, where dense rank. Sorry. Dense rank equal to 1. That's all. And then you will get the topper, subject wise topper. Now see, you have subject wise topper in chemistry, B and D is the topper. In maths, B is the topper. In physics, C is the topper. Any question?
Samir,
Huh.
this technique we used to do to drop the duplicates, right?
Yeah. You can do very common interview questions. They will ask you to find duplicate and then drop duplicate and all this things. You can do with the help of this. Or better, you take this as an assignment question, and tomorrow you guys work on that. That if you have duplicates, then how you can remove the duplicates. Okay.
To get a latest duplicate and get us the
So
latest record of the particular.
Correct. You can do with the help of this dense rank. Are you asking me to solve that, or what is your question? Sorry, I didn't understood.
No, I was asking that this technique we usually use in that
To
way,
remove the
right?
duplicates, correct.
get
To
a
remove the duplicates.
Old duplicates. Yeah, old duplicates.
Old
And get the
duplicates,
latest
or
one.
you can do both ways. You want to, okay, 1 minute. Let me show that example. That will be a bit far clear to understand, because this is very common questions everyone is asking these days. But I will take simple table example. Okay, but you want to do some modification in this, please tell me. Okay, create table employee duplicates. You are telling no duplicates, so I will take duplicate of ID, name and location, salary. What I can take. Okay, so this is ID. First of all, I'm taking a very simple example. Okay, then we will see some complicated example in this. So this is the table we have created, and we are trying to insert into employee values. ID 1. But now you guys are not solving assignment question. Not sure why. What is the reason? Mrinal, what is the reason? You are not getting time? Busy schedule?
Yeah.
Okay. But I will request everyone to please work on the assignments whenever you are getting time. So make a habit of solving 2 questions on a daily basis. 5 questions on a daily basis. You want to become good at SQL. Yeah, that is what I can tell you. And even after class, if you need my help, you can connect with me. Okay, I will try to help you out. So this is the data. This is the employee table we have created, and these are the records I'm trying to insert. Okay, let me show you that what I'm trying to do. But Pritish has asked this question. Pritish, if you want some more thing in to add some more scenarios, so please tell me. Okay. So this is the data I have inserted, very simple data. Okay, and so what happened? Employee ID 1, there are two employee name are there. Employee ID 2, two name are there. 3, 2 names are there. So for one ID, we have 2 distinct employees. By mistake, something has happened. Okay. So now this is the problem. So now HR is telling that no, this is the wrong thing you have done. You want to please delete anyone. Okay, delete. First of all, I will take this in general scenario. that okay, delete anyone. Okay, I have to delete one record which is incorrect. So what I will do, I will write here ID comma name. Again, let's play with rank or dense rank, whatever you think better. I will suggest play with dense rank. Okay, over. Over. What I have to do here? Partition by or order by? What I have to use here?
Partition by.
Partition by, because you want to delete for each and every ID. If there is a duplicate, you want to delete it, right? No, I will write partition by ID, ordered by name. Okay, this is what you are telling. Okay, let me do this. Okay, so I got this value 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, let me write it inside. This is not slowly. Now you guys will be understanding the benefit of alias, why we use alias, right? Okay, so now this is the thing. Okay, Pritish, I have done till here. After this, what I have to do to remove the duplicates? Who will tell me?
Yeah.
Rank is
Where dense rank is equal to 1. Okay, where dense rank is equal to 1. Select ID, comma, name, comma, dense rank from this subquery concept is clear to everyone. I'm writing subquery frequently now. If it's not clear, please tell me. I mean, dense rank is equal to 1. You have told me. Okay, I will write dense rank is equal to 1. So what happened? You got this records. It's not coming. You got this records. Know what to do,
It
but you
took
want
a
to
little-
delete, no?
No, I think yeah.
Then what have to do?
Delete star from.
Delete a star.
No.
Delete.
We can reframe that select ID name dense rank.
Okay. See, okay, we can do that as well. Okay, delete from employee. Where? So you want to delete wherever dense rank is 1, correct? You want to delete this record, so where dense rank is 1.
Where ID?
Where? No, not ID. Dense
ID.
rank.
No. Yeah.
Dense rank.
Dense rank.
But we're deleting from employee ID, right?
ID. I will come to
Where
that.
ID will work.
One minute.
ID
See,
and name is combining. We can.
See. If you write where ID is equal to that value, all the records will be deleted. Because for ID 1, you have A and B both, right? Correct?
Yeah, no, ID and name both. I will.
ID and name both you want. Okay. You want
ID
and name.
and name in
ID,
the sub
comma, name.
ID concurrent. Yeah, ID, comma, name under bracket in the subquery.
Subquery, okay. Do you think this will work?
Not sure, but
This will throw error message. And who will tell me why this will throw error message? Too many values. Why? Too many values are coming.
ID and name.
How many arguments you are given here? 2 arguments. But after in, how many arguments are there? 3 arguments.
3 arguments.
Name dense rank. So what to do?
Yeah, we can change that 95th line to delete.
Change anything. Don't
no
change
dense
anything. That's all. Sorry, finish.
Okay.
3 was deleted. Okay. Now let's see. The records are deleted or not. Select the start from. Deleted or not. Deleted. Is this fine?
yes.
There is one more method for this, but before going to the next technique, any question on this? Any question, guys? Invalid table name. Why is showing invalid table? Is this table name invalid? Just start from employee. Syntax is correct, no? Oh, something.
Delete.
Star.
Okay. Okay, now. So again, I have inserted this records. Okay, so just I wanted to show you that, okay, this is the correct query we have written. Okay, but you can simplify this as well. So let me remove all those things here first of all. Disturbing. So this is the query we have written, right? So right now we have found this dense rank is equal to this all things we have found. Okay, dense rank. And now the strategy what we are following is for dense rank 1, we will delete that particular ID and name. That is what you have told me, correct? So directly you write delete from employee where ID comma name in this, right? Oh, this will not work. This will not work. This will not work. No, this will not work. This will not work. Yeah. So this we can do. Yeah, this will not work here. Sorry. Okay. So hope this is clear. You can do within city expression as well. Okay. If you want, you can do with using city expression as well. Okay. Let's try with the city expression now. But I am not sure if everyone is understanding or not. Anyone who wants me to repeat this, please tell me. I will repeat, because if you're not understanding all this concept, this is very important. You should understand it. I'm telling this again using city expression. Okay, so this is the output of this dense rank, and we are planning to remove the duplicates, because you can see for ID1 we have name A, for ID1 we have name B as well. So right now, suppose the question is that whenever for a particular ID you have two employee, delete any one employee. Take the simple example now. They want to delete any one employee. So I've used dense rank here, and now the strategy with what Pritish has told me is that okay, wherever dense rank is 1, we will delete that. I thought that okay, yeah, this is correct. Dense rank 1, it means this record will be deleted, and then we will left with 1 by 2. So this we want, okay. For 2C 1, this will be deleted. This is also fine. So here dense rank is 1. So 3 will be deleted. We will be left with 3F. So I thought, yeah, this is good suggestion what Pritish has given. Okay. So I will do using dense rank now with test. Sorry, I will try to execute this using city expression now. So this is what I have written. Okay. So now after this, I will write test2 as select ID comma name from test1. Now you see the power of CT expression, how this will be helpful to us. Okay. What I have written, first of all, let me explain this. In test1 temporary table, first of all, I am calculating the dense rank right now. This is the one I have done in test1. Now in test2, what I'm telling that, okay, from test1, this temporary table, what all data you are getting, don't show me all the data, just show me the data wherever dense rank is equal to 1, right? So this is what I have written. See how I'm breaking the problem in different chunks. That is the benefit of city expression. Now I'm just showing you that what you have in test2. Select a star from test2 I have written. So now it will show you that in test2 you have all the dense rank is equal to 1, right? You can see all the dense rank 1 value is coming here. Okay. So now you can directly write delete from employee
test2
where no, not test2. Why you want to delete from test2? Test2 is a local table. Even if it is getting deleted from test2, no, I will. Okay, let me do that. Mrinal want to do like this. Okay, test2. After that, Mrinal. After that, what you want to write here? ID comma name. Correct. Correct.
So
No?
in test2 we are
In,
having only the duplicate value.
that is what I'm doing, sir. So this distinct ID comma name. No, test2 we have that value which you want to delete, Mrinal. In test2, you see I have taken those value from test1 where dense rank is equal to 1. It means this is the record which we want to delete. Okay. In test1 we have all the values, but
Yeah,
we are
so
just
we can
ranking
write it.
it.
Yeah. So we can write delete from test2 only. So it will
That's what
delete the values.
Oh, okay. Yeah, correct. Yeah, sorry. Good one. Delete from test2. That's all. Okay. So, and we think that this can do perfect. Okay. Delete from test2. Missing select keyword. Okay. This is throwing that missing select keyword. So, why this is throwing this, I will tell you just a minute. Give me one example. Delete from employee where ID, comma, name. I think this is happening because of the ANSI standard. Just a minute. ID, comma, name from test 2. This one. No, this is not working. I think that's why this is not working, because I think with the CT expression, this doesn't catch this delete command. I think that is why we can use only select. And the reason why this is happening is because, these are the temporary tables. Okay. So why you want to delete something from temporary tables? You want to delete from permanent table, no? Are you getting my question? Even if I will delete something from
Yeah.
temporary table, that will not make any sense. This is just for the local
Yeah.
buffer, correct? So anyway, so is this clear? This one, delete one?
Yeah.
Okay. Any other question on rank or dense rank, guys? Please ask. Mokilan is not asking question today. Mokilan, any question?
Yeah,
No
you have
questions?
asked. Yeah.
Oh, okay, fine then. So guys, so rank, dense rank, is it clear? Rank, dense rank, partition by, why we use dense rank, what is the problem with rank, why the rank is skipping the sequence? Is it clear? Tell me yes or no.
Yeah.
Yes,
Anyone wants me to repeat again from beginning, rank or dense rank, please. I want to see. This, if you want, that's not a problem. I will repeat it. I want to know if anyone wants me to repeat rank, dense rank from beginning. Okay, I will summarize this. Okay, let's summarize this. So we have concept of rank and dense rank. Let's start with a simple one. Okay, then we will see the complicated one and all these things. This February batch, no? How we got this all things? Is it talking March batch? Okay, no problem. So, okay, let's start with the rank and dense rank. So this is the rank syntax. So what rank does is it will give you the ranking system based on the marks or salary, whatever you have. You can do this based on the ascending order, descending order. How you can control? You can write here order by marks, ascending, descending, whatever you want. You can do that. Okay, I hope this is clear. Here I've written marks descending. So it will first of all sort all the marks in descending order. Now you can see all the marks are sorted in descending order, right? Then it will give the rank. Okay, this all 30 are the top rankers. So we have given rank 1. Then 20 we have given rank 4. Okay, now here is a confusion that rank skips the sequence. So ideally this should be 2. Now why it has given 4? Okay, that's the question. Then we understood that okay, rank actually it follows the serial number pattern. So what I have done, I have given a serial number here 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we understood, whenever there is a duplicate, so rank will give the correct ranking, but for the next sequence, it will skip it. Like here it has given 4, it has skipped 2 and 3. Now the question is why rank has skipped 2 and 3? Because it is following the serial number. Here as per the serial number, it comes 4. That is why rank has given 4 here. Okay. And then again after 4, we were expecting 5 here, but has skipped 5. Why it has skipped 5? Because again rank is following the serial number. Here the serial number is 6. That is why 6 is coming here. Okay, actually it seems that rank is doing the abnormal behavior, but this is not abnormal. This is as per the serial number he is working. Now to solve this problem of rank, we have a new concept which is known as dense rank. Okay, dense rank will not do anything new. This is exactly same as rank. The only thing is it will not skip the sequence, that's all. Apart from that, dense rank is exactly same as rank. Syntax is again exactly same. If you want to verify, you can check. Here it has given ranking as 1, but for the next record 2020 and all these values, he has given rank 2, then rank 3, then rank 4, then rank 5. It has not skipped any sequence. But if we discuss from serial number order, so it is not following the serial number fashion. So rank and dense rank, they both have their pros and cons. Any question? Okay, if no question, then we have seen that how we can do the partition by. So here I have shown you that you can do the partition by as well. I think someone, Pritish told me that I want that, okay, ranking system based on the subject. So I told, okay, fine, we can use partition by. So here you have to use partition by, and it will do a segregation based on the subject. So chemistry, maths, physics. So it has done a segregation on this, Now you can see the chemistry, the rank starts from 1, 1, 2, 3. After that, for the maths, again, the ranking system starts from the scratch, 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, for physics, then again, ranking system starts from the scratch. And this is same for rank or dense rank. So rank and dense rank, they both are almost same in terms of syntax. Everything is same. The only thing is rank skips the sequence in order to follow the serial number pattern, but dense rank does not skip the sequence. So on the safer side, you should use dense rank. We have the applications of rank as well. We will see that. And then I have shown you that we can mix this rank and dense rank with the CT expression. And I think today you have understood CT expression in a far better way, because we have seen the application, that how we have splitted the quotient in multiple chunks. And then we have played with the temporary tables. Any question, guys? No questions. Okay, very good. Shall I proceed further?
Yeah.
Student table. This is a student table. Okay, fine. Now I'm doing something here. Now I want you guys to tell me what is happening here. I've written something here. Okay, don't worry what I've written suddenly. Row num is different, row number is different. I am not teaching row num now. This is row number. Those who know the concept don't get confused. Something I've written here. Okay, and you got some values here. What is coming like this? Correct. Oh, I'm a bit confused sometimes. Now, who will explain this? This row number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. On what basis it is coming here? What is happening? Who will tell me?
That's having a sequence now.
Yeah, it is like a sequence number or serial number. Can I give this name as serial number?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct, no? This is exactly like a serial number. The row number is very simple. This will give a serial number. It will not bother whether you have duplicate or not. It will just see that what you have mentioned here. Okay, like suppose if you have mentioned here order by marks, if you have not written anything, so by default it will take ascending or descending. It will take ascending, right? I should not ask the silly questions now. So it has taken ascending. So first of all, it will sort all the marks in ascending order. You can see this is sorted in ascending order. And then it will start giving the serial number 1, 2. It will not see whether duplicate is there or whatever is there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all those things. Values will start giving here. Okay, any question? Simple, no? Similarly, if you want, you can give here order of marks descending. It will change the pattern. It will reverse it. It will first of all it will sort the marks in descending order. See the marks is sorted in descending order. Again, it has started giving row number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It will not get confused with the duplicates or whatever you have. It will just follow that. First of all, what you have mentioned, order by marks ascending or descending, it will do in that fashion. Okay. Any question, guys? No question. Now, suppose similarly, if you want to do segregation based on subjects, you can write partition by subject. Exactly same. Nothing new. Partition by subject. Now see the output. Look at the output. So first partition is chemistry. Okay, so it has in 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then for the next partition mass, again to start from scratch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then for the third partition physics, it will start from scratch. 1, 2, 3, 4. The row number is like you are giving serial number. We will see application of this, but is the syntax and the use of this is clear what this row number is doing? Any question on this row number? Yes or no? Understood or not?
Yeah, understood.
Everyone understood, no? Okay. Now, if you have understood the row number, then you have a concept of row num. Okay, let's see what is row num. Row num is very typical kind of thing. We'll explain this row num. This is row num. See, row number is different. Row num is different. Right now, what I have taught you, this was row number. Okay, and now this is row num. This is different. That is what now I'm showing you the output of row num. And then tell me what is the pattern it is following this row num. Okay, this is row num. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, it has given this row num. Now tell me on which pattern, which fashion it is following this numbering.
Yeah. By the way, how we inserted the data, it follows.
Perfect. How the data was inserted. Actually, this row num doesn't have any fashion, any pattern. You cannot tell that, okay, Tanvir, why this for 6 it has taken 30 and 5 it has taken 15. There's no reason for this. The only reason is this is as per the sequence. SQL engine inserts the data in the table. Okay, now the question is then what is the use of this? Okay, the use is you can limit the data. Suppose if I write where row num less than equal to 5, so you will see only the first 5 records which were inserted. Okay, so these are the first 5 records which were inserted in the database.
Yeah, and I have one doubt on this.
Yeah.
Only I think, yeah, Oracle SQL engine has this NORM, or MySQL server and all has this NORM.
Correct. Row num, it's not there in MySQL server. Good question.
Yeah, I have seen somewhere like that.
Yeah. So it doesn't have, but I think there is something different. Row num, it's not there. Like varchar2. If you will try that on Microsoft SQL, so it will throw error message. That is used only in Oracle. Although Oracle accepts varchar as well, but nowadays Oracle is telling to not to use varchar because down the line they will decommission that, or they have mentioned that maybe they will assign some other data objects to varchar. So that is why if you're working on Oracle system, you should use always varchar2. And even if you have noticed, I always use varchar2. Okay. Any question, guys? No question. Is this all concepts clear?
Yeah, and we can add that row num to that partition statement. We can see what was the desired output.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can
do that.
easily we can get that concept.
Yeah, but very means I prefer using row number always. Okay, this will give more, it's better. What you can say, analysis we can do better in terms of this. Okay, but see this row number.
Yeah, along with that, we can print NORM, right?
Correct. We can print that. Correct. Yeah. Any other question, guys? No questions. Okay, if you don't have any questions, so let's see where we stand now. Agenda February. This is the agenda. Rank, dense rank. We are done today. Correct? No, this is done. This is completed. What else we have completed? Row number
Expression completed.
This is completed. Then lead lag and all those things are left out.
City expression
is almost done. This is done. But again, when I will teach you lead lag, now I will show you some other example of that city expressions. Okay. Okay, roll up is left out, sum over is left out, end tile is simple, lead and lag is simple. Okay. Can you give me 10 more minutes? I want to cover this end tile. Everyone is ready for this? Tell me yes or no.
Yeah.
Yes, just 10 minutes. I promise. Okay, 10 minutes I will finish it because the end tile is very simple. That's why I want to cover this. I will add something. Let's take this table inside. Last batch I was teaching this end tile. Last Saturday, Sunday. Do we have a student table? No. Which table we are working here? A student now. Let me take a student. Okay. End tile. I'll tell you practical application where I've used this in my project last time. First, let me show you the output. Okay, in tile, why I've written 4. You might be thinking that what is this n tile? Why I've written 4? And this is, as you know, order by mass descending. This is okay. Now say this is n tile 4. Okay, I will left this to you guys. First of all, you all do the analysis and then tell me what is happening here. I'm giving you 1 minute, 2 minutes time. What is happening here? First of all, see order by marks descending. I've written inside. No, is it visible to everyone? Order by marks descending. First of all, tell me, is this a mark sorted in descending order? First of all, yes or no? True or false? No. Who told no?
Yeah, true.
True,
Descending
no?
order.
Descending
Descending
order.
order,
Okay.
it's working.
Ascending order.
Yeah.
Marks is in descending order.
No, descending.
Descending order. I
Yeah.
also got confused. Okay. So marks is in descending order. This is sorted out. Fine. Now, this n tile is telling that this first 3 records are, it is given 1. Okay. It has assigned 1. Okay. We'll see why it has assigned 1. Then for the next 3, it has assigned 2. And for the next 3, it assigned 3. Then for the next 3, it has assigned 4. So what we understood, it has created 4 buckets. In the first bucket, it has given this first 3 records. Okay. Next bucket, it has given next 3 records. Okay. Again, the next bucket, it has given next 3 records. And then it has created next 3 records in the 4 bucket. Now, the first question is why it has created 4 buckets. Who will tell this? Who will explain this?
Yeah, I think in the until we mentioned 4, I guess.
Until we have mentioned 4, so that's why it has created 4 buckets. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Not clear. Not clear. I think this is not clear.
4
Let me-
buckets means
Yeah, but if we mention 3 means internally it will divide, right? Or
Let me show you. I've written entile 3. How many buckets are there?
3
1
buckets.
bucket, 2 bucket, 3 bucket. Okay. Fine. Okay. Now let me give entile 5. Just think and just consider what I'm teaching now. You might be having a lot of questions. I know that. Okay. I will answer that. Entile 5. How many buckets? 1 bucket, 2 bucket, 3
5 buckets.
bucket, 4 bucket, 5 buckets. Okay. It has given this 5 buckets. Okay. You understood now? So if you'll give this, it will be split in that much bucket. Okay. Now let's start again from the beginning. Let's start from 2. You might be thinking why I'm not started from 1. I will tell you 1 at the end. And tile 2. 2 means 2 buckets. This is 1 bucket. This is another bucket. So how many records are there in this table? I think we have 3, 4, 5,
12.
6, 7, 12 records. So the first 6 record has been kept in first bucket and the next 6 record has been kept in another bucket. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Okay, this is clear. Now let me keep this here in tile 3. You'll be having 3 buckets, right? How many records will be there in the first bucket?
4
4 records in
records.
first bucket, 4 records in second
Yeah.
bucket, 4 records in third bucket. You understood what this tile is doing? Tell me.
Yeah.
Yeah. So in entile 5, can you print entile 5?
I will come to that 100. N tile 3, is this clear what this is doing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It has created first of all 3 buckets. Then it has assigned the records in all those 3 buckets. So first 4 records are in first bucket. Second 4 records are in second bucket. Third, fourth record are in third bucket. Okay. Similarly, let me show you entile 4. Entile 4, what this is doing.
is it creating the group based on the
No, this is not that group by. Okay, this is not that group
No,
by.
not that
But you are correct.
group
It is
by.
working in that fashion. It is creating bucket. You are correct in that. It is working in that fashion. Okay. 4 means 4 bucket. First bucket 3 record. Second bucket again 3 record. Third bucket again 3 records. Fourth bucket again 3 records. Any questions so far? No questions?
No.
Okay. Now, if I will keep here 5, that's the question. If I will keep here 5, what will happen? Now let's try to understand this, what is going to happen here. First of all, you see 5 buckets are there or not?
Yeah.
Yeah, 5 buckets. Okay, now 1 minute. Before this, let me write something here. Select 12 by 5 from dual. How much it will become? 12.4. It will become, I think, 2.4, right? Why I've done this? Total, we have 12 records. Now you want to split that in 5 buckets. So what it is telling? 2.4. Do you have 2.4 records? Yes or no?
No,
You don't have 2.4
you cannot
records.
have.
Sorry, you have.
No, we
2.4.
don't have.
We don't have 2.4 records. Okay, no, fine. So how to do this? How to split this? We will split this in three records. In first bucket, I have kept 3 records. In second bucket, I have kept 3 records. Okay. Now the question is, then why you have kept 3 records in the first bucket? Who will answer this? Because this was coming 2.4, but then why you have kept 3 records in the first bucket? You should keep 2 records. 2 records is also possible. Who will answer this question?
Will it take upper ceiling?
It is telling upper ceiling, but why? Why it is not telling the lower ceiling? Why it is not taking 2? What is taking 3? All the 2 is the nearest integer, correct?
At the end, it will get remaining. It will get remaining part.
Take
Perfect. Something will be left out. If
Yeah.
I make
Yeah.
brackets of 2, 2, 2, 2. So total how many records? 5 into 2, 10 records are there. Now last 2 records will be left out. So in which bucket you will keep it? You don't have any more buckets. So last 2 records will start sorting.
Yeah.
So that is why always we will take the highest one. So 3. So first 3 records are in the first bucket. Next 3 records are in the second bucket. Hope this is clear. Now
Yeah.
how many records you have covered? Yeah, Mrina. Till here only you can ask question now.
We can see.
Don't go to this 3 one. Till here only you ask
Okay.
question. Yeah.
No. Okay. No, for that one, I had, because I have seen only two items in each bucket.
I will answer that. Okay, I will answer that. But any questions so far?
No.
No question. Okay. 6 we have covered. 6 we have covered, right? 3 and 3, 6 record we have covered.
Yeah.
6 record we have covered. No? 6 record we have covered. Okay. Now after this we are left with 6 records. Okay. After this we are left with 6 record. So how you can do the segregation after that? Okay. Now let me take this in Excel sheet. Then that will be better to understand. Okay, so this we have done. This you all are convinced till here. You told me that yeah, till here we are convinced. Everything is fine. Okay, you all have told me. Now for the next 3, suppose for this 3, I will keep this in one more bucket. Let me keep the name as third. Okay, all these 3 are in third bucket. Okay, this is in the third bucket. This is in third bucket. This is in third bucket. Suppose if I'm categorizing by 3 fashion, then next 3 will be in fourth bucket. Fourth bucket, right? So now your fifth bucket is empty. Fifth bucket is empty, no? Now your SQL engine will start sorting that if it is empty, why you have cluttered this? Now what to do? Yeah, tell me what is the solution?
Yeah, I think that's why the engine will separate those.
Correct. That's why engine has separated equal after that. 2, 2, 2. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So now what is the benefit of this? I will tell you from my real life example where I have used this. Once I was working in a project and that was having close to 14 million records were there. Okay. 14 million records, although it's a good number, but again, not a very huge number. But what was the problem? We have written a code, a SQL query that was like close to 200 lines of code was there, multiple tables and joins, local table and all those things, blah, blah, blah. Okay. But the problem was when we were executing that query, it was taking good amount of time. Okay, it was running and running. It was taking good amount of time. And we were not able to understand whether the code is working or where is the problem. So then we thought that, okay, it seems there is some problem with the data because the data is very huge. And then that's why this is not working. So we thought that, okay, do one thing, split the data in multiple chunks. Split data in multiple chunks. Okay, then what we have done, I will show you that. Okay. Checked. From this one, okay. So from this one, I have used this, and then where NTLE is equal to 1. Now, who will tell me what I am doing here? I have used NTLE as an alias, and I'm telling that we only take those records where NTLE is 1. Now, earlier we were having 12 records. Now we are left with only 3 records. We have less data now. So now I will apply my code on top of this data. So it will take less time, correct? But now the question is, what about the remaining data? The similar code, I will execute for NTLE2. Then I will execute for NTLE3, then NTLE4. So now we have splitted that huge number of 14 million records in multiple sections of 2 million, 3 million records. So now it was running quickly. It was not taking much time. Is that clear, the application of n-type?
So you are essentially using the, the limit till what NTLE we need to use it. Right?
That total count, right? Total count, I was having total count of 14 million records. Okay. And then I thought of splitting that in 2 million each. So what I have done, I have written n-tile 7. Okay, I have written n-tile 7. Okay. So now we have less number of record, and on top of that, I was running my 200 lines of code. It was not taking much time. It was taking close to, I think, 3 to 4 minutes. Okay. Sometime you will see, if you those who have worked on a huge volume of data, what will happen? You are writing a query. It is taking half an hour. Okay, and that is having 4 million record. Suddenly you reduce that to 2 million record, and it will take only 2 minutes of time. I'm not sure how many of you have noticed this, but this happens because if the query is becoming more complicated, and again the volume of data is very huge, so SQL engine will have to do more tasks. Okay, and then it will take more CPU and input-output memory and disk space and all those things. But that is why in those cases, if you're getting, I think many of you, those who are working in huge volume of data, you might have came across this scenario. Okay, so you can use this n-tile function. Like, you can break the data in multiple chunks, and then you can use it. Okay, guys, so that's all I want to explain you n-tile. Nothing more you have in n-tile. Okay, this we have covered. Now we are left with few more topics. So now tell me, what is the plan? Are you guys willing to come tomorrow for the class, or what's the plan? Because I need at least 2 more classes, lead and lag. This 3 is very important. Don't miss this. Okay, all this is simple. We will cover this, but this 3 I want to cover. So tomorrow is fine for everyone. Same time, 7 to 8.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start.
Yes.
Okay. Dhania, is it fine for you? Yes or no?
Yes.
Mukilyan, yes or no?
Yeah, yes.
Prasad?
Yeah. Okay. But
Pritesh?
Sunday, just to give.
Sunday you have problem. Okay, fine. First of all, let's plan for tomorrow. Then we will plan for Sunday tomorrow. Okay. Pritesh?
Yeah, fine.
Mrinal? Mrinal has left, I think. Mrinal, you are on mute. I cannot hear you. Mrinal, you there? Okay, Mrinal don't want to answer. Okay. Okay, fine. So I think I will check with Mrinal offline. Okay. But I think most, yeah.
Yeah, one quick question.
Yeah, Pritesh.
How many, what is the capacity of data that SQL can run the query? Means what is the max capacity of the data?
Good question, but I don't know the exact answer for this. But so far I have used for 15 million records I have used. Okay, but I know much it can handle beyond that. I know, because in some other projects I know that we were using for huge volume of data. But 15 millions I have used, Pritesh. Okay, but sorry, I don't know the exact number. And but there are few limitations for Oracle. We all know that there are a few limitations, and because of that Hadoop came, and then we moved to HANA, and then now we are going to Snowflake and all those things. Okay, but there are a few limitations. And most of the project, when they want to handle huge volume of data, so they will go to Teradata, and then Hadoop is there, and all these pictures are coming. Okay. But sorry, I will check and I will confirm you on the number, exact number. Okay. Any other question? Okay. If no question, guys, so let's connect tomorrow again at the same time quickly. Okay. Any feedback, guys? Any negative, positive, any feedback? Anyone who wants to share? Mrinal, I want to understand from Mrinal. Mrinal?
No, Tanvir, it's good. Actually,
Okay, you
I have to
understood the
practice.
things?
Yeah, okay. But the only thing I'll have to go through the assignments and the answer you have shared.
That's a session
yesterday,
for everyone. You have to practice the
and
questions.
I will send. I will send that to question that I had
Please send that to me.
parcel in the test.
Yeah, please send that schema. We will look into that. But answer is you have to join multiple tables. Whatever you have told so far, you have to join multiple tables, and then you can get some bridge. Okay. Okay, fine then, guys. Thanks a lot for your time. Let's connect tomorrow at the same time, 7 to 8. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye, Tanvir.
Bye.